Hello children, today we are going to learn the second chapter, angles. Okay, so children, but before we start the video, I'm going to tell you something. Children, when we were doing our first chapter, basic concepts in geometry, this was written as parallel, right? So children, I'm sorry for that. That was my mistake, because it was not actually parallel line, it was intersecting lines. Okay, now how it is intersecting lines? Because this line is cross and this line is straight, that is why it is intersecting lines. I'm sorry. Okay, so please note it down in your book that it is intersecting lines. Okay, now we are going to do the chapter 2, angles. Okay, so let's start. Now angles we had in the 5th standard also, right? So we are going to recall it. Okay, we are going to know more about angles. Okay, so let's recall angles. Look at the angle shown in the picture below. Identify the type of angle and write its name below the picture. Okay, now here, you know what angle you have thought in the in the 5th standard. Okay, I'll tell you. Now what angle is this? If you look nicely and clearly, if you look in it, so it is obtuse angle. Okay, if you look nicely inside and if you see that it's obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. Okay, and right angle. Okay, can you see this right angle? See clearly? Yes, you can see right angle. So this is a right angle. A right angle is of 90 degree. Okay, a right angle is of 90 degree. And now the third picture is an acute angle, because if you see nicely and all these 3 pictures, if you see properly, you will know what type of angle is it. Okay, so this is a bird catching in his beak of a fish. Okay, in his beak. So now this picture is known as acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Okay, so you all understood? So please note it down in your book. Now we are going to do this. Okay, there's one more. Complete the following table. Now here is it given. Now I'll explain you what it is. Angle. Now here are the figures given. Why have I circled it out? Okay, I'll tell you why have I circled these 3 figures. I'll tell you. Okay. Now it is telling name of the angle. What is the name of the angle? The name for it is P, Y and R. Okay, because the angles goes like this. So it is P, Y and R. So and children, this which is there, which I put it, this is the symbol for angle. If you will not put this, you will get 0 in your paper. Okay, you will get egg in your paper then. So don't forget to put this. Okay, if you will put this, you will get marks for this. So the name of the angle is P, Y and R. Okay, now here is the same. Now here it is an angle. Okay, so your angle is L, M and N, because the angle is like this. Okay, so it's now I told you this is the symbol, right? So it's L, M, N, the name of the angle. Okay, now this figure, what is the name for this angle? Okay, it's angle. This is the symbol as I told you. So angle BO and S. So these are the names of the angles. Now vertex of the angles. Vertex of the angles means this, the end. Can you see this? Yes, like this. Okay. So this pointed point. So this is now point. We'll write as point for it. Yes, it's a point. So point Y. Can you see this Y? Point Y. Then point M, as you can see this. Okay, point M. And the last point O. Okay, point O. So you all understood what are the vertex of the angle? Okay, very good. Now arms of the angle. What are the arms of the angles? Like this, because this is, now when it's the point of the angle, so here these are the arms. So the arms are, it is known as side also. Side YP and side YR. Side YP and side YR. Okay. The next, now side ML. Okay, as I told you in this figure also, side ML and side MN. Very good. Now side. Now I told you. So this figure is going like this, and it's the point. So this, so it will be O, like side OB and side OS. Now you all understood what is angles. Very, very good. Okay, now we are going to do this activity. So let's do. So now children, now here it is an activity. Try this. Okay. So let's try. Okay. Activity. Ask 3 or more children to stand in a straight line. Okay. Now you ask, if you ask 3 children or your friends, you can ask. Okay. Ask 3 or more children. 3 or more children to stand in a straight line. 3 or more children. So here in the figure it's given. 3 or more. There are 5 here, right? Take 2 long ropes. 2 long ropes. You know now what are ropes? Okay. Okay, very nice. Very good. You must know. Okay. Okay. Ropes you took? Okay. Let the child in the middle hold one end of each rope. Now the middle child which is there, tell them the rope, the 2 ropes, the end to hold it. Okay. Okay. With the help of the ropes, make the children on the either side stand along a straight line. Okay. Now with the help of the ropes, the ropes you know, right? Ropes, make the children, now you know children, right? On the either side, stand along a straight. Now you have to stand along a straight line. Tell them to move as so to form an acute angle. Okay. Tell them to form an acute angle. You know what is acute angle? Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Okay. An acute angle. A right angle. Now right angle, if the children here, as you can see, if the children stand like this if they stand. Okay. I am giving you an example of a pencil. If like this, if these children stand, so it will be a right angle. Right angle is of 90 degree. And obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. Okay. A straight angle. Okay. Now what is a straight angle? A straight angle is of 180 degree. Okay. You may not have it. You may not have this in the 180, all this reflex angle, complete angle in your 5th standard. So it is in 6th standard. Okay. Okay. And reflex angle. What is a reflex angle? A reflex angle is greater than 180. Okay, greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay. And a full or complete angle. Complete angle is of 360 degree. Okay. Very good. Understood? Nice. In turn. Okay. Like that one. Keep the rope stretched with the help to ensure that the children from straight lines. So you have to just keeping the rope. You have to just leave the rope stretched with the help to ensure that the children form straight lines. So you all understood the activity. Very good. So now I'm going to explain you what like this. Now in that page I'm going to explain you types of angles. So let's start. So children, now it is telling try this. Now what it is telling, so let's read. Use 2 sticks of different colors to make the angles from angle A to angle G. So now angles are shown. So here is a definition given for it. So I am also going to make you understand and also going to show you the sticks, how to keep. I'm just for example, okay? In the figure A, the two sticks lie upon each other. The two sticks lie upon each other. You can see this? Yes. Other. There is no change in their position. No change because their position is not changing, right? In this position, the angle between the sticks is called a zero angle. This is known as zero angle. Okay, so it's written here, so we will underline it. Zero angle. The measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. It is written like this. So please keep it in your mind. Okay, if you will keep it in your mind, you will get full marks in your paper. Okay. So this is known as zero angle. So I'm going to show you how is a zero angle. So I have taken your two sticks. Now I'll keep upon each other. So this forms a zero angle. Okay. So this is a zero angle. Okay. This is known as zero angle. Okay. Now it's telling now keeping one stick in place. Turn the other one around as shown in the figure. Now it's telling to do like this. I'll show you. Okay. The angle formed in the figure B is an acute angle. An acute angle is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degrees called an acute angle. Okay. So now it's telling with this stick I'm keeping here, and this stick we have to do it like this. I'll show you. Okay. Like this one better. Okay, so you saw what is an acute angle? You saw an angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. I have shown you the two sticks. Okay, one is colored and one is not colored. Okay, you all understood? Okay, so this is known as acute angle. Okay. So children, now here is the right angle. What is the right angle? Right angle is of 90 degree. Okay, so I will show you what is the right angle. So I've taken here the stick. Here it is, and one more stick. So this forms an right angle. Okay, so this is known as right angle, which is of 90 degree. It is shown in the figure also, right? So this is a right angle. Okay. An angle formed in the figure C is a right angle. An angle of 90 degrees is called the right angle. You know, you had this right angle in 5th standard also. Acute, you had acute, obtuse. You had acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. So now it's obtuse angle. Now what is an obtuse angle? The angle formed in the figure D is an obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees is called the obtuse angle. Okay, so an angle which is greater than 90 degree, okay, but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. So now we are going to do obtuse angle. Okay, wait, girls. Okay, so this is known as the obtuse angle. Greater than 90 but less than 180. Now you understood? You understood this 4? You understood zero angle, acute, right angle and obtuse angle. Now it's straight angle. So let's know what is straight angle. So children, now it is telling a straight angle. What is a straight angle? So I'll tell you. Okay, I will read this. Keep it in your mind. Okay, you have to keep this. Keep it in your mind, right? Good girls. If the stick is turned further in the direction shown in the figure, can you see this figure which the sticks are like this? We get a position as in figure. Okay, we get a position like this in the figure D. An angle like this is called a straight angle. It is known as straight angle. A straight angle measures 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay. How is a straight angle? Like this is a straight angle. This is a straight angle. 1 minute. straight angle. So this is known as straight angle. A straight angle measures 180 degree. Okay, you understood what is a straight angle? Very good. Okay, keep it in your mind, and when I will get 0 in your paper then. Okay, keep it in your mind. Now, reflex angle. What is a reflex angle? Okay, I'll tell you. If the stick is turned even further as shown in figure, you can see this figure F. In figure, we get an angle like 1 in figure. Can you see this? We get an angle like this. This angle is greater than 180. Yes, it's greater than 180 degree. Okay. Such an angle is called a reflex angle. A reflex angle is greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. Okay. An angle such like this type of angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Keep these definitions in your mind. Don't forget it. Okay. If you will know this, you will pass your paper, or when you will get 0 again. Okay. So now we will do reflex angle like this. Okay. This angle is known as reflex angle. Very good. Now you have understood this last angle. What is the last angle? The stick in figure F completes one round and comes back to its original position as in figure G. It is turned through 180 till it made a straight angle and 180 after making the straight angle, thus completing 360 degree in all. An angle made in this way is called a full or complete angle. This 360 an angle which measures 360 degree is known as a full or complete angle. The measure of a complete angle is 360 degree. Okay. So a 360 degree angle is like this. I'll show you. Okay. It is same like the 0 angle, but here is a circle given. So this is very differences in it. Okay. This is a complete angle. It is shown in the figure, right? Let's see. So you have understood the whole thing. Very good. Good girls. So children, today we have done our part 1, means the explanation. Okay, so we have understood the chapter. Okay, the part 1 we have done. Now the practice set 2 will do in our part 2. So children, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell that you will get all the notifications of my video. So children, take care of yourself and bye bye.